It's DIY with the Smyrna Cowboy. All right, let's go do something.
Yep, it's another install video, but it's one of those really simple ones that I like to do. These are the grills. I'll put a picture of it here, and I'll try to remember to put the link in the description for the Amazon link. So what you do, find out which one goes to what, which is there. So we'll peel the red tape off. Put it in your pocket so when you wash it, you'll get stuck in the washer. Here we go. And you just line it up in there and just press. I used to like to do it for 30 seconds or so. And then you take the other one, rinse, lather, repeat, pretty much. As you can tell, oops, I think I took the there we go. Got it started. We'll get that centered in there. And just hold it. For a good 30 seconds or so. And you let this sit for 2 hours, but let the stuff dry cure like 24 hours, so I don't plan on going anywhere else today. I may go some in the morning, but maybe not. And that's it. That's all it is. So there you go. All right, another quick and easy install of a Farkle for my beautiful Can-Am Spyder RT Limited, Miss Sally Ann. So that's it. This is the Smyrna Cowboy here in front of Pappy's Place here in Smyrna, Tennessee, wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios. Thank you for your time and attention.